Hey golfers, it's Gracie with WTI. So my husband loves playing golf, whether it's outside or inside on his Quest 2 VR headset. That's why he really wanted this 90-degree weighted golf club attachment from YEZRO because it really helps to mimic that real feeling and weight of a golf club. As soon as he opened the box, he could immediately tell that it was very well made. The adapter and the shaft is made out of high-quality aluminum, so it's not flimsy at all. You can tell that it's super solid and it has some natural weight to it, just like a real golf club. So it actually has 3 different weights, and what's nice is that 2 of them are removable, so you can customize it and adjust the amount of weight that you want on your handle for that realistic golf simulation. And what my husband really appreciates the most is that it has 3 different mechanisms to help keep his controller safe and prevent it from falling out. So first, it's got this stiff rubber padding around where you insert the controller to help keep it in place. And second is where you twist the top of the adapter to tighten it around that rubber padding and to lock it in place. And then third, it's got this velcro strap that secures your controller directly to the handle, so you can be sure that your controller is not going anywhere no matter how hard you swing. And lastly, he loves the realistic grip on the handle. Honestly, it feels very similar to the grips on his actual golf clubs, so it's comfortable enough to play for hours and hours. He's been so happy with YEZRO, he got both the straight and the 90-degree angle. So if you have either a Quest 2 or a Quest 3, then these are definitely a must. And that's my point of view.